So now let's see how we can actually go ahead and get advice inside of Qwen. So in order to do that, I'm going to go around onto more section right here, and then you can see that get advice is an option. So it says give me advice about managing stress or about making friends, setting goals. So let me just go around and say give me advice about learning to animate. Let's say for example right here. So if I were to actually go ahead and do that, it says learning to animate is exciting and rewarding journey. So it says clarify your goals. Before diving in, ask yourself, what type of animation do I want to learn? Like, is it 2D, 3D motion graphics, a stop motion, etc. right here. So it says learn the basics of animation. So it gives you the 12 principle of animation. Then it says choose your tool right here, just like this. And it says take courses and tutorials. Like there's free resources. It even gives you a link, as you can see right here, and tells you to join the community, create a demo reel right here, and even study real life, as you can see right here, just like that. And that is how you can actually go ahead and get advice as you like inside of Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.